So that brings me to an interesting point here. Did you see this threshold? I've never seen that before. There's a piece of that weather stripping right there too. And I think I'm going to take that out because I'm going to have them mask this, and it's going to be easier for them to mask it, you know, from here up and all that. So when this door's closed, see, they're gonna spray everything. I don't want them messing that up either. And then this, see, that weather stripping pushes up tight against the door, whereas once you take it out, see there, they could spray this door. They could spray it out, let's say, when it's not windy. They're gonna have to mask all this stuff off, huh? And then when they close the door, it's not gonna hit the weather stripping either. Look at that. Nice, they can close the door afterwards. And they can do that only after I take that weather strip off. Okay, glad I thought about that. And on the other one, there is nothing, because that door swings out. See here? That's just, you're gonna have to mask that off. That's different. So each door is different, could be different, you know? So look around and make your decisions and do it. I don't think it's going to be very hard. I think it's just going to be like the other ones. Hey. Go. And that's cut. This piece is cut at an angle too, so I'm gonna have to mark that too. See how it's cut? See how it fits in there, that groove? And it's just in those saw curves. See? All the way along there. That's why when you get done painting, especially if you're painting exterior, you want to make sure you don't get any goobers in there, and then you'll have to clean them out or something. In our case, it should be nice and easy to push those back in. All right. Last but not least, here's that door. This door swings out, and the weather stripping at the top goes all the way through. Ah, come on, there. See up there, that top piece is going to be kind of tricky because it's all one piece. They should have cut it. See how it goes through on this? This is a fixed panel, and whoever installed it, they weren't thinking, were they? They just ran the top piece through. They could have been kind of courteous for the next person who was going to paint, and they could have cut it right there. The last one I took out, I tried to loosen it up on this side and pull real hard. I couldn't get it, and so it tells me that it's a complete one piece. I don't know why they did that. They could have easily cut that top piece right in half, right along that edge. You know. Now I'm gonna get up there and see how tricky that's gonna be. I think I can get it. Hey, look at that. They cut it off this time. Did you see that? They did cut this one off. I took one off downstairs and they ran it all the way through. Now, my guess is maybe they did that one first, and then when they came up here, they did a nice, easy thing. Thank you very much for that. Okay. Now it's just about taking these other two pieces off. I knew I could get it anyways, but I was like, okay, I probably need to show you. But this is just another one of the same. Little as you go. Oh, it's nice and breezy today. Woo. The only thing I wanted to point out, I need to be careful because I don't want this door to slam open and do some. Okay, the only thing, when you paint, once you get done painting, okay, once you get done painting this door jamb, before you put this back in, okay, make sure that this paint is cured. You don't want to put this on too soon, because what could happen is the backside could start sticking. So next time, if there ever is a next time for you to take this trim off, it's going to come off the same, nice and easy. You see it just slid right off of that. And I was kind of contemplating on it being harder to come off, thinking it was going to be stuck on the back side. And some of them are. I've seen some that they're really super hard, and I ended up just taking it and ripping it back down like this, but then it makes all these creases in it as you pull down. So if you know you're going to replace it, you could rip it out probably if you wanted, since you're going to put in new. Okay, so once it goes back in, it just shoves in a little bit. Make sure you get it snug in there. You don't need gaps like that. There's a gap there, and I pushed it in snug. So you look on the back side as you're pushing it back in, just to make sure it all gets in there tight. Then close the door, check it, and all that. Okay. All right. I think that completes this quick video on this. That's all I got for this time. I'll be back with more videos. Alright, now where was I? I gotta take these down, mark them. Okay, I got it. And this is an exterior door. This is just a little bit of bonus material. This is called an ironclad door. What is an ironclad door? Well, it means it's a steel or steel-clad door, not an iron. It's steel on the outside, but then it's wood on the inside. That way it looks nice on your interior. Metal on the outside. That way it's going to last a lot longer. You see, if this was a whole wood door, the exterior, this thing would only last so long. And the same thing with the door jamb. It's metal clad. This is metal. This is wood. You see this piece here? It's over the wood. So this jamb is all wood over to here, but then this metal piece attaches on the back side, wraps around. See? And then looks like they stapled it right there. Just wondering, yeah. There's another staple. Metal clad door and jamb. Now you know. Well, I wonder what that is up there. It looks like it might have been rubbing. Look at that. I don't think there's anything I can do to fix that. I'll have to get up there and take a look at it and maybe have the painter sand that down just a little bit. Because I'm not going to take that door down and try to cut it. There's no way I'm going to start worrying about all that kind of stuff. I might be able to take a screw right in there and suck it up, you know, the head up just a little bit so that the top of the door doesn't rub. And I was looking at that earlier, even. Ah, what happened? You see how tight the door jamb, the door head is right there? There's hardly any room up there. I might have to see if I can't suck that up. Oh, brother. Another thing I just saw, the alarm little foot pad. See, this one's fine, but see the one back there where the door, jeez. It's not one thing, it's something else, huh? See? That one up there. He stuck it on there. And it's hitting when I open the door. Or when I try to close the door. And you'd think when they put these on, they would check that, don't you? Look at that. It's hitting it. Kaboom. Okay. See if I can't fix that. You may have to call the security guy back and have him come back out. Hey, he has to come, he's got to come. Whatever.